agency is just being bought, because mice, first of all, are not the correct model to be used to study these injections, because they don't have the same receptors as humans. So mice are the completely wrong model to be used to study these injections, and not having the full data. We all know that we're in a global clinical trial for mRNA therapeutics. So they're using humans really as the guinea pigs in all of this. And there was a committee member, I remember saying that when giving this to children, that they're just going to have to give it to them to find out what happens. So they're literally using children as the guinea pigs.
It's awful.
It's very disturbing. It's very disturbing. We normally have years of data past FDA approval before even recommending some of these drugs and treatments for pregnant women, for children. So now instead, they're not even going to be doing clinical trials anymore. They're just going to be changing the mRNA injections without providing any clinical trial or any data, and it's just going to be rolled out to the human population.
When did you, or did you, as a virologist, you've been knee deep in this for years. You have close ties, I imagine, with people who work in infectious diseases and so forth. Was there a point at which you lost your faith in the CDC, the FDA? Was there a moment maybe during the pandemic when that happened? Or do you still have faith in these organizations?
I'll be honest with you. My dream job was always to work at the CDC. That was my goal all through high school, through college. I just thought that was the world premier public health institution. And I went to graduate school in Georgia because I wanted to be close to the CDC so I could get a job there when I graduated. I mean, I really worked hard for years to connect with people at CDC. I had collaborations at CDC. And now I don't want to be anywhere near that institution at all. I mean, I think it's really sad. There are definitely people who are very intelligent, who are very good at their job, I had colleagues who were very upset even when they rolled out the PCR testing from CDC because of the lack of quality control. And there were people who actually left CDC over that. So, I think that they've been compromised. I think that their integrity has definitely been damaged, and just the lack of actual public health coming out of the CDC is really disheartening. It's very disheartening to see.
That's really disturbing. That's really disturbing.